Hello Pop-Uppers, this is Chacha. Welcome to the Pop-Up Gallery. For today's video, we're going to make a model of a pop-up bird. Wanna know how to make it? Keep watching! I've got the idea of this pop-up bird from the pop-up book entitled Pop-Up Birds by Usborne. I just bought this book on our local online shop. As you can see, the wings are hidden under the body of the bird when the book is closed, and they magically appear as if the bird is flying when you open the spread. Isn't it amazing? It really is. And the magic lies in the triangular tab under it, and that's what we're going to learn today. Here are the pop-up elements: the body of the bird and the wings. Make sure that the bird is short enough so not to stick out of the paper once the book is closed. This is the tab where you connect the wings to produce the magical effect. I will teach you how to do that. This is the bigger sample that I've made earlier so you can see it clearly. As you can see, there are two triangular folds on both sides. First, fold the tab. Then, create triangular crease on both sides from the center of the tab. Then, push the triangular folds inside. That's right! We now have triangular tabs where we can glue the two wings. Here they are. They should look like this. Try them on the spread to find a perfect place where you can put the bird. Remember, the beak should not stick out of the paper. Then, paste the body of the bird onto the upper tab of the wings. To avoid mistake, place the bird on the spread where the beak is not sticking out, then put glue on the bird's tab, then fold the spread. This is the permanent position of the bird once the book is closed. After that, it's time to paste the lower tab of the wings. Put a mark where to paste the tab because we're going to cut it since we're gonna hide it under the spread, just to have a clear background. Alright, it's working! This is our pop-up bird. In the book, the wings have the tabs already. What we did in this tutorial is we just glued the wings onto the tab. But still, it produces the same magical effect. Thank you so much, Pop-Uppers. Have a great day today. See you next time. Bye!